So the first two things I want to teach you how to do is an equilateral triangle and an isosceles triangle, right? Well, first of all, make sure your paper is blank entirely. Make sure you have a ruler over here and that you have a compass, all right? First thing I'm going to do, you know what, I'm going to do not such a big circle. So I want the radius, that means the amplitude of the compass, to be 6 centimeters. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go from 10 to 16. That's going to make it easier for me to measure the 6 centimeters. And so I'm going to open up the compass up to 16 centimeters. So this one right here is going to be the amplitude for 6 centimeters. I'm going to make a circle, you know, right here on the paper, right? And you can actually use a very light color just to mark the center of your circle. Why? Because you need to actually make a little flip. Now, before this was the center, right? Now, you are going to place the pit of the compass on the circumference and you're gonna go to the center, to what used to be the center with the pencil pin. And so you are gonna make another circle just in a different direction, you know, just like this. And please take the light color you have right there, a highlighter or something, and please just mark the other center. And then we're gonna mark where the two circles intersect, all right? Then with the ruler, you're going to join those 3 points. How are you gonna do that? Well, I'm just gonna use the points I just colored, right? So it's gonna go this way, then it's gonna go this way, and then it's gonna go this way. All right, so right now what we actually have, guys, that's an equilateral triangle. How do I know that? Well, since this is the center of the circle, this is the radius, right? But this is also the radius of the circle. And since this is the the center of this circle, this is the radius of this circle, but this also is the radius of this circle. So they all are radiuses of circles that have the same radius. So they gotta be equal all together, all right? So we're just gonna do the little 3 lines we have. And then now let's go ahead and do the isosceles triangle. Okay, and the isosceles triangle is even easier. Now I'm going to start out with a line of 6 centimeters. I'm just gonna keep on the same measure I thought about before, right? And then I'm going to take my compass. So I'm going to decide that the compass is gonna be probably not 6, but probably 8 centimeters. Let's see if I have enough room. Yeah, so we're gonna do it. We're gonna make it 8 centimeters long. So now I'm going to place the compass on one extreme or one end of my segment, and then I'm going to make an arc over here, and then now I'm going to go to the other end of the segment, and with the same amplitude I'm going to make another arc. I am going to mark where the 2 arcs intersect, and then I'm just going to join those points. You can tell these two are actually a different measure. This measure is actually 8 centimeters as we measured the compass before, and this one is also 8. And the side that gotta be different is 6 centimeters, so we're fine. We have an isosceles triangle.